test is going to be, is there a difference between all-purpose and bread flour? Is there a difference?
I've been pushing work all summer.
I was in the process of making dinner tonight, and bam! I see I'm out of the all-purpose and I have a whole bunch of bread flour. The answer ready as far as will I be able to fry my chicken strips with the bread flour? Go ahead and leave your answer in the comments. I'm not sure. This is my very first time even using bread flour, and just gonna test a little bit because I don't want to mess all my chicken up. Alright guys, so let's get this started. And I'm just gonna put a little bit down just to test it out. Y'all, look at that. It is nice and crispy and it's juicy looking, and I am surprised. And I'm gonna taste a little piece right now. Okay. I'm gonna tell you one difference I'm noticing. Usually when I fry my chicken, I double coat and I have a nice crunch going on, and I'm thinking, and this is just my opinion, I'm thinking because it is bread flour that it doesn't give me that crunch, and all-purpose flour is gonna give me that nice crunch. So I'm thinking that's something going on because I did double coat this. So I double coated this, and when I double coat, I have a crunch. That's the purpose of double coating it, so you can have the crunch. I'm lacking that. But other than that, my chicken looks perfectly juicy and delicious. Look at that. KFC has nothing on this, so, right? I guess the results of this experiment is, look, ladies, don't be mad at your man if they come home like my husband did with bread flour instead of all-purpose. Don't be mad. Go ahead and use that bread flour and fry those chickens. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a kind of crazy one today, but I had to do that. Remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.